Hello, assalamu alaikum. It's me here again, Fatima. How are you all doing, friends and family? Today I'll be cooking peanut butter soup, known as granola soup. Let me introduce my ingredient. I have my cabbage, my aubergine, I have my pepper, 4 onions here. I have my chopped tomato in here, my tomato paste, my smooth peanut butter. I have my white pepper. I have habanero pepper. I have my bay leaf, carrots, some garden egg known as bitter tomato. For seasoning, I have my Maggi here. I have some salt. So I'm gonna be blending everything in here. And then I have my meat here boiling. That's my meat in here. That's my chopped tomato, my onions, garlic. I'm gonna blend everything in here. I'm gonna be adding my blended pepper in here. I'm listening to Umu Sankare. I'm going to be adding my tomato paste. I'm gonna be adding half of this one in here, half. I'm gonna be adding my peanut butter. I'm gonna be adding everything in there. My lottery, I'm gonna put it on. My seasoning salt. My Maggi. You see the peanut butter, you see everything has been dissolved. I have covered halfway. If it's not, that is going everywhere. My white pepper. You can use black pepper. 1 spoon. Now for my peanut butter soup, I'll be making some couscous. I'll be making some, this one is actually millet couscous. As you can see here, there's a couscous as well, but this is the millet one. You see here, there's a couscous. I'll be using this one. I'm gonna be using some butter for the couscous. So I'm gonna be adding some hot water in here. I'm not gonna be making much. I can say like 2 cups of water, but you can always double up the recipe. And then the couscous is supposed to be for, you see here, 5 to 8 minutes. So I'm going to be putting it in the microwave for 5 to 8 minutes. So that's a step by step. That's my couscous. I'm gonna cover it and put it for 5 to 8 minutes in my microwave. Now I'm gonna be mixing the other version of the couscous, the cherry huto. So this is a dry huto. So if you are interested, I can show you how to make this one instead of buying it. So this one someone give it to me, so I decided to use it today. So this one says 2 to 3 minutes, but I'm going to be doing the same 5 to 8 minutes because it's a bit dry. I'm not going to use all of it. I'm just going to use half packet. That will be enough. So in this one, I'm not going to add any butter. It's only hot water. Have you seen the water? I'm going to leave it to sit here for 2 minutes. Peanut butter soup, you can have it with rice, but normal people have it with rice and some huto or cherry, in the Gambia. Sierra Leone, we have it with rice. As you can see, my peanut butter start bringing some oil. I do not add any oil in here, so because the peanut butter already have some oil. So it's now I'm going to be putting my vegetable them in. I do not like my vegetable to be very cooked. I love them half and half. So I'm going to leave them here about for 10 minutes. They'll be fine. So you see, that's why I cover half and half. Have you seen? It was going everywhere. So you need to cover it half and half. Cover it half and half. You see, after I put the hot water, I leave it for 2 minutes. Have you seen what happened? Have you seen? All the water is gone. The cherry has been absorbing all the water. So now I'm going to put in the microwave. That's the couscous from the microwave. See, that's the couscous. It's now nicely been done. I have to mix it off camera, sorry. You see, I did it off camera. So that's the couscous. It's now been ready for me to have it with my peanut butter soup. If you don't put butter in, sometimes it will be sticky, so you need your butter. That's the other version of the couscous, the millet. See, it's nicely been cooked as well. So That's my peanut butter. You see what I'm talking about? If you don't cover it, it will go everywhere. So that's why you have to cover it halfway. As you can see now, it's getting ready now. You see, it's a very healthy dish. There is no added oil in here, no oil. So the oil came from the peanut butter and some of the meat. So that is it. My peanut butter now is ready. As soon as you see the oil, know that it's ready. I mean, you can make it very thick if you want to, but mine is perfect because I'm going to be having with some rice and some cherry and some couscous. So for me, this is fine. My peanut butter soup is now ready. That's my peanut butter soup here. You can have it with some rice, some cherry huto, millet flour. That's what they use to make this one. You can have it with your couscous. So I'm gonna have my own with my couscous. So my husband loves having it with some cherry. My kid, they want to have it with some rice. So that's, thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. If you love this video, share my video, leave your comment, thumbs up, leave a message. I'll be there to reply to all your message. Thank you, everyone. You guys should join me. Let's eat this food.